Right, and that's actually Makwaba once again. Continuation of our super fantastic news. And I had two animal stories. They were bread and a drew sweet about when I buy any day. Now a report and another a year the fast and take Kotoko training home at the my intenters. But the drew sweet a poke crowd stories. Gadin dim gadam quite so. And I hear Bob Bonin and I so at the Amana Yatuaso Aquarian on this edition. Yebedi nkomo kakra afa yenia Zak Zakaria Fuseini na no mistake oba ya obia etwe na adwen. That's really good. Team papa ne kase de oba Rudiger a mistake ono kra da bia mistake no ya ha enti da bia no ya omoka enti sa obia has been one or two the other way are criticizing the plenty Zak fan up superm na bibia enkoso but nkomo bi wo ho a Esa Zakaria Fuseini me new number. Oh, me nua we dey nka me am frɛ personally. 824 ho na bibia ye kan but me need ye me nyanso a me try afro but me suffer ho kakra. A story ade bi si Berekum ni ade ne nkomo bi ni ade nti. Ye behwe eduru ho a ho konkron na bekasa fe mu na ya ye ni ye kama nti bibia be kama. Yes, Zakaria Fuseini, you need to, as a cardio which or not bibia in couldn't do so because Emma wa a boama santi Kotoko couldn't be a bit to me because Justice Blay story be that manima me justice to Justice Blay story no na then come about community and Santi Kotoko transfer with regards to striker hand and also on come you be didn't hana ya to so aquarium live efficacy here.
There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Okay, that's so I hit subscribe no na odi e enim but say league first round no abawi ye nyame edi e ho afofia ye we MTN FA Cup round of 32 ye ne bobo kwa from second Pfizer babies ebo ewia na Berekum Chelsea bibrefo no so to aso a ye no omo ede ba betata so na bibia tumi awie nkonimdie so ye hope si ebeto aso na afi we de ya na ne dodo agum bi na all blast de na esi no akwakwe hwebuada ato echi but enye all blast resource omo ehye no ho store asem na hiame but all blast mo dimbone pa when it comes to hooliganism any sense hunu na ye di no football mu na monsesa enye me kai pa se emre bi baba amando mu time na baba amando baba amando time no sa ena mo ye niema ni ade a mo ni as good nyame nko a kaboasefo okumu ato ho enam se omo ba suedro mo botro omo hotel a omo da na kromofo adumirika ko honom adaya omo si ekwan ho ayede ndie na o sekramoni ba krom na okomos ekobompaya eyebone enti se traditional ni di Kotoko team ho na so no so ekokogina ba bi bone empire eyebone oba na CAC for fasting no kogina oba empire ni bia oso mprema ni CAC aso dem ho enti yesra mo munya sa ade na motiso eduro eho no munya edim bone amagye ato ache pa enti se mo ansesa se mo kai chasampia awi mo ene Nesboatin that time Michael Robinson mo ene ade mo boase nyame nko a omo era no nyame nko a komkum amanfo tum etoto boase afei na all blast photo nwuram maame bi na oka de ehuo ni mutu ewo boase nkamprum ba bi efre maame na efre ne tema omfri tema na ba wa chapa o I think there's almost 16 17 years ago na mokoko pie maame ni fie nya maame ne save mu anka enema ekoye bone ni nyina yensem hu na mudi ti a go face for ebra wo mo eba mo ho nti return encounter no e no mo so kire masibi kakra na wo mudi nsem hu ti say dem mo return no wonsesa na yesuban bone in the highest order hooliganism na mfahwe ma new adubiase any ash gold that was one of the greatest in tokonhunu kese e course I no nyame nko a sa game na mo obekwai Jamfis Park na ye very serious nti sa na ma we nyina na yenyim free e boom ukobobo na obi akwa ukobobo na obi akowu ukobobo obi ababewra na yi a ye kan say hotel na matoa no e dia na titra sam ni nsem hunu za no nti chale mom ye njai sa suba no swedro for monsesa Monsesa na mo Berekum ase na omo kire matiwa kakra bia we no nya park so na tete Kotoko na nka nya park so na obi bebu obi o obi hia o justice ota ase ho afon kwanta mo foroba na nka vim but ehun hia ye preach sa na man on to mu chiwo obi yo bo ne children's park a o de be hia Kotoko o de be hia Kotoko ana obi chiwo adade ntem oba bi o de Bakuba ase na oyo obeyo de Timonsesa na bibia ankoso yenkwa enim na yenye story Zakaria Fuseini story we ehia pa na emse enra echo I said a blanda no ekoba na manfo ka eni ade I hope said guy no said no number report here no or taking in good faith na watwa so a training etimi ama bibia etimi akoso tinedu e de ba ye kan ye donzo ho wo kra on teach ni brofo ye kan ya ma wo TB sa akwa no emu ayedene nti no shegu odene nsa go ne bo no na kyesa mpa awode no afei e na no ho eye ne shekakra nti yesro o fa ansu kra de ansu de ondo no ya ha unim nti Zakaria Fuseini who experience 27 years old and awo on paper 1998 near wo what national team under 23 oh boy me kai Ghana ni Egypt almost 3-2 ubo 90 minutes Ghana any Mali and also under 23 tournament ubo bi Mali for 2-0 ujina mu 90 minutes every coach you know mo ball draw almost 5-4 on penalties with extra time 120 minutes ujina mu bobi South Africa you know mo third place almost 8-7 on penalties and over 90 minutes that tournament at a 23 tournament you know. Yes any Cameroon crown so boy first game you ball 1-1 and also ball full 90 minutes into Black Meteors why a juma or experience babema keka ho kakra say spiritual and also rem say physical accolade na so timi picking niema bema rem na bibia nyenkunim die na a build your confidence in the back unim ball no ball but the day na ekwacho wan kasa na unim uyo obi a obo Berekum Chelsea 2015-2016 uko Spain ekonya good deal San Fernando CD team bi Andalusia but unfortunately Ipra and Asama returning back to Berekum ne odi abebo Asante Kotoko njikrache ya show keka ho pa e ma bambuo bia ma na epagya homene so na eboni ye na making ena mediwe eya photo in my presentation the amount said yenua bi atradie bi anyema bi say ya na me mpeneka but esa meka na yenyina yehu bomoden na family issue bi wo ho a yenyina obi abusua asem wom menu abomoden na sorting it out na bibia enye nkunimdie odi se bi wo ho a bomoden na menu a sorting it out na bibia enye nkunimdie Ka Walker on any wife in your problem be affected on the pitch. Even Pep Guardiola cry no rempumu see do a best coach on your problem. And also on any wife in your antawanto ye January which last season what you found the book. Timini a miss show. Imboss bia opanyi bi dia atu nim no ha dwen kakra. Also bro tell him to make peace with his wedded wife and treat her well. Period. I know what I'm talking about, and it's serious. His wife is really going through a lot because of how he has abandoned her. And that lady used to fast and pray for him when things were going on well with him. And she, na me pese on, but nyayo home na and free ho. And now so I say he is joking with his life, which is we don't condone so because actually, I said this guy Aisha into bracket wife. Yes, supposedly, Yenua Zakaria wife, Eddie Aisha, has been sharing tears over him, and God has listened to her cry. Which, and yes, I answer prayer, a mistake, and I have been consoling her for a long, and it's heartbreaking, bro. A lady who has fasted and prayed for him to succeed and in his football career at Berekum, and now he's dumping her for another. Ow. Wena or de ye tin same baby but minia said e maka no ye nyina obia abusua nsem wo nyonko a e bi kura me ame no kase me a minia me pese o rectify bi ame nye saint me dey Saint Kizito there but e bi ame ho nte ye nyina fonso we ho nyankopon ni mo nya otumfo nyankopon adabroma ene nyina ye ho nti me sure se bi ni na ese one sweet Aisha salty a mo salty so come back now ade be ya unia for ade ne so woni ne ka bom no na laka wo ne ba na abɔ no enya gro nti said no so na e destabilize kakra bro Badama we dey ye presentation but we so succeed ma we beboa ti bro Badama we dey enye say ye ton wasem e dey akwa akusi pampa so but ye ya eboa nti said ye bra no send my no I try to get your number nanka bibia be but couple of nana production I see boss so a breso ko I say no adoma da so wa nya obi so see na esa me be yeah no saka a couple makakra na bibia ko so nti bro just sit up na make peace with sweet wife Aisha na bibia ko so ni suna o so na so ntikakra na mama Zella krona bibia o ya ye no odobro ni krona abehye ho no adasa bibia te sa no ko nene anti akosia say wa that is Aisha enso wo bibia na de obekom krabo ma some mo som no kra de mutimi ware nan ni ade enye de bia o ti ba ko wa na ye nti bro o de ane de mu betimi nti na ne wo de ne wife kra sorting it out na wo de odobro ni wa in aminaship ebe ba be kan kra enye problem bro so say buy ya no na amanfo akọba akọtwe abayi say the wife su Berekum no nya gro until nka any ade nti esa ni nyina no so ade a the problem kakra eba African ye wo ye de bibia di yenye Ronaldinho no wato oba to baby and ye ya obi amfa ho but African the Africanism ni there sugar reasons we free man enye ye nti o wedded wife de mom kra de ultimate de ka ho ware nan ana miensa nti me ntufu se ware miensa na nan ka no but bro se be bini na hwe na first opeja ne si na o teba for ma bro treat her really well na enya lack na to aso ebo nti this is the message you know video tuja no so ye te ho kakra justice Blay yem fan to anim se o beninam kumase ba o me Kotoko de ye te and is 33-year-old born on in the year 1992 justice in Kuku Blay any nations FC edin komo na progressive voice no akwa animu pa Blay accepted nations FC offer say omo oni ombe ye adwuma but omo twen final clearance e a free bra okay come bomb bra ni di ba ma minya so Blay you know agent no me mai anti omo twen final we no dey free minia ntwi ho yes I mean kind of say bro omo twen final we dey free ni manager ho na bibia timi akoso kama nti omo ye na it's likely say Justice Blay ebe joining bobukwai from Nations FC and also I don't know Emmanuel anodie enra said na naba kan and I said and now din kan di two jano ano Drew Moldova move be da ho kama nti most likely Kotoko mix it out but even apart from Moldova no kran there is a team omo enso ewo Netherlands omo say akonya da ho Emmanuel ano 7 goals wa share any enra a cheap penalty or Mexi any second highest scorer in league about first round every no almost some trust nti even some Moldova no cry si boss Netherlands or Netherlands no si boss Moldova nti enom kakra to jam me ka say Nations FC omo yet lot of clearance kakra players omakoto mo munya bi mo no omo so omo mpam wo mo omo di bi Kotoko loan baby ombenya bi abo lo and behold the infant to him say almost striker omo kofa no Sulemana almost striker Farouk Mohammed and then what na loan Vision FC okwakobo loan ho na we are returning back to Dr. Kwame team no na Nations afan into my pefra enye ono nko Sulemana Yaya Abu or center back ono kra de game omukọ aduan na kọbọ ye no ono nso ko Vision hobi ono ebobo ni bi eno mutimi ko share aduan na 1-0 ewa away no enti Nations at the center back and so amalona no ancient mukakra ya de two other stories making headlines no ya de Emma war na yemfa we into anim say Kotoko with regards to player who some acquisition no Elvis Bernard dead you know my baby in the video kakra bi e de amo ahwe say copyright claim near the identity no ya try na ya resolve with them na ya full video ni nyina e de amount bra akwanya wom so obeba nko ade a said the medinka breaking the story down the amount about 3 days ago he's contracted to Boboko AS fan and they account one 17 and quite achieve na kwa kwesi asa kwesi achi ɛno ɛda yɛn channel hɔ kwa ubehun nti deɛ tie ɛne sɛ yɛ mananaba monitor grounds sɛ or touch down a yɛde mu nkyɛn ma Kotoko yɛ eager to add him to the squad ɔmo gidi so ɔmo nya no ɛbɛka ho a ɛbɛboa ama bibia atumi akɔ so whether ɛsɛ etueska anase entueska no Kotoko egu so ɛfa way a wɔn betumi anya Elvis Bernard Adair amana ba bɛka team no ho ɛno ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ kakra yɛ preview to a yɛde ɛma in a team for ɛwɔ dwumadie sonko yi so but ɛmfa we ɛnto anim sɛ enka hat to focus so yɛmfa we ma 8 new players 7 to 8 players and a new my training but as at now omo transfer ban no it's yet to say be I be left and go ye player be to say Dufe guy be if in Nigeria e ba any umba be training and one Tete Richard or no Metford or boy Adriana Crada and komo bi amate but subject see be the more yes in come for be boa in analogical way nan komo registration but I mean I'm fat a sibo so and I'm sorry so any room here kwan I'm first for a registration no na is see there oh yeah no for hit men some time maybe enye yi can no fever pass no and na oh yeah be sibo so nti mo amoti F4 na nka mo fa kwati kwan obi e de transfer ban ato no so na mo fa kwati kwan ka mo yi na amfa no aha that's good amfa nti we dey mo kan che na to be no nko settle yi no kama na bibia amfa so ndwem na ha so folk players ben son or try training which mean register bi na bibia ntimi enko so they say over registration now uhia FIFA Connect platform I said there World Cup accreditation no World Cup accreditation say unya media channel uni FIFA hub ni bi kra enye yi say oye we nyina sample eno akwakonya main portal no e dia intisa na FIFA nso aye ama FIFA Connect platform na digital platform no na sync with player and passport na ababe link Ghana the transfer matching system that is TMS no enti digital ID ne QR code any ade ne nyina na ho ene go nti se transfer ban eda so a udru FIFA digital platform no so a enti sync with transfer matching system that is TMS na ewo ho no enti eba sa na e ha dwen enti na amasi say had to for twetro mo no but they mean and say it's likely say ahwe won to register player because Sikano and Koya crash and rain no nya ready say obetumi aboa ama bibia to atwa ono de dauta da na ama oso ogine sika ansana waboa ama sanction e yefri ho but na no bibi sam say Kizito say has at the car na ya de banner to mo so we player don't me transfer bi me next episode me ba be chire mu at the amount aha TP Mezembe so Solomon Agbesi enti sanunti na ma obisa me sa ye ba be de hu djuma at the amount but obi so bisa yen say Prince Bedu ene ya owo nation section abakotoko yemfa ne say wabo 2 matches and I say sorry when you 2 yellow card and I say egi aka 1 yellow card no is suspended obeboso so okotoko no gia obeko suspension ana mabisa awrem ene adi hu nkomo kakra yenu aba akwa oye very good when it comes to players registration any ade minua panyi Benito Aquatic formerly no sports editor our time 96.1 FM wo boase Ben Achichi Musampa say Prince Bedu yemfa ne say asem kan or yellow card akaba akon na okọ suspension na e so Free Nations FC so oba bebo etoa so okotoko a most definitely na onya yellow na oba suspended for 1 match eti also and excuse me na bibia to me akoso kama ochire mu me hu say for instance say menyo elbow mofi so ahye goals e bi a 10 okọ Man City okọ bi kan ho a or the twaso otimi kabom no de go kina yenti that is explanation onti yenua ba ko a obisa na openche mu se player A general transfer window no free team we mu eba team fufuro mu a tie case an say the same season asem na yeka season na marry ye na the same league na mu na wa make move inti eba sa suspension bi o ma say ekọ editia no sa pepepe ena nchemu no etie enti we de na ye gina so e de atudwa se yenua Zak onkomo no ye really sorry say break here but bro but modern na there say we be a mess be say utimi make amends bia no make na a sort niema yes yempese be repeat message gini biem but de tie ene say fa niema tutu ye na asumdwe ene nkunimdie emra Meaning say we training and now you were really focused on training grounds, notwithstanding the sea or surgery, which is normal. Boom, and you're normal there because test see an AI boapayo and answer a but football I mistake there at test but you can't swim manning how. But ye can snip in Nunia bread. Say why fee Aisha and come be away so in a sort here. Almost no bomb pie boom fasting pa bro. Or modern na and sorting up BPA and couldn't be so. Na what team wa can be no ninya dream fine if a ball Kotoko na a found to one pa